Luar Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, kamstet, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Kaumigalai Pradesh Congress Committee hakarap kundai trik rusau arajar posan klub diang sungobha bat pendrung dukhat biang yu Zenith Sangma hadir mulami no nak All India Trinamool Congress Meghalaya bat lit phai biang shikaseng Congress yu Zenith Sangma na pediang buram do in charge ko All India Congress Committee bakmi ya Jilla Meghalaya u Dr. A. Chelad Kumar u President Kaumigalai Pradesh Congress Committee wa Vincent H. Pala bat kinai lam kaseng Congress ha jingalang kablalong ha Congress Bhavan hanong ba Shillong Talo Zenith Sangma ke Congress ka pediang Sngobharu yu ba Lionel Nongklau bat yu ba Plostas Im Zenith Sangma haba ajingkran hakan ke jingalang ulong bari tang kaseng Congress kabla banyakun Pyrshah ya ke BJP hapo kari bat haka juga porlo angru baka jingwan phai biang jongu shikaseng Congress klong nomor bakam don kuno kuno kwam laban long haka politik.
Thank you, sir, for approval his re-induction in the Congress, and grateful to you and all of the team who has worked hard on this issue. So, thank you, sir, for coming back. Zenith Sangma told me that in order to fight against the communal forces in the state as well as in the country, we need to work together, we need to unite. That's why with that intention in mind, with no ego, so we are here to welcome him back. So on behalf of the AICC, on behalf of the MPCC, I request in charge to re-induct him to the party with the muffler of the Congress.
Just a second, he has to sign the membership, so I request. After that, boss is right always. Salang could give us a tip here, you PCC. Now you can sign. Yeah, you can sign. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. This form is very important because when filing nomination also they have to show this one. So next we are going to induct. We have no, he's not here. Yes, this is Jonas. We have Leonis here. He's a teacher, like I told you, and also a dear friend of mine. He contested the election last time, but today he is with us. So I request the charge and induct him as well.
Another day in my political journey. It is a turning point, a day of new beginnings, new hope, and renewed commitment. After much reflection and prayer, with a grateful heart and firm conviction, I have chosen to join and stand with the Indian National Congress, a party with a proud legacy, a glorious history, and a deep commitment to the people of this great nation. From Mahatma Gandhi to Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi, and many others, the Congress Party has shaped the destiny of our nation. It is the only party that has consistently defended the Constitution, upheld the rights of minorities and Christians, stood firm for justice, equality, secularism, and democracy. Here in Meghalaya too, the Congress Party has played a vital role in our state. Infrastructure, education, and healthcare. Today, I stand with the Congress Party because I believe in its vision, its values, and its enduring spirit of service to all. This decision in joining the Congress Party is not merely political. It is deeply personal. It is a moral and a spiritual calling to stand for truth when it is tested, for justice when it is challenged, and for equality when it is forgotten. In continuing to serve the people whom I have faithfully done for the past 27 years as a social service worker, I assure you all, as a member of the Congress Party, of my full dedication, service, and commitment. I strive to be a voice for the voiceless, a bridge between communities, and a tireless worker for genuine development and for lasting peace.
If you recall, even the founding Chief Minister, late Captain Williamson Sangma, was not even in Congress when we got the statehood in 1972. Only in 1975, he, along with all the members of the cabinet and the party, regional party, they marched to the Indian National Congress in Mendipattar. Even after I was born, I was a kid, I was in school. Maybe I was 13, 14 years age. That time also, even with my own eyes, I could witness that my parents were attacked several times. My house, my family was attacked. So, since my childhood, I have been noticing, observing the kind of attachment of my parents with the Congress Party. And very often, my parents used to tell me that Congress is the only party in the great nation of ours, which can really fight with the communal forces. And subsequently, when I joined in the active politics, my parents used to tell me, Zenith, don't ever leave Congress party in your life. But friends, sometimes the truth becomes bitter. It was contradicting. When I was in Congress party, I was one of those who propagated across the state about the goodness of the Congress party. How good is Congress party? And I was responsibly propagating even after Pyrshah left the party in 1999. Along with under the leadership of Dr. Sangma, we were propagating, going to every nook and corner of Garo Hills in particular and of the state in general, telling people that Congress is the only party which can really fight against the communal forces. And I used to tell people that it is just like scale. Scale, in Garo we call it palapator. The scale is like this. When the communist becomes weak, BJP becomes, the communal forces used to become strong. When Congress becomes strong, naturally and automatically, the communal forces led by the BJP becomes weak. It's the thumb rule, my dear friends. Therefore, it is incumbent upon all of us to strengthen this secular force that is the only party that is Indian National Congress Party. For certain obvious reasons, as all of you know, I had to leave Congress for some time. And when I was away from Congress Party, sometimes I was feeling guilty. I was asking to my inner mind if I was doing some injustice. I was fighting internally. But today, I have reached to that stage where I am being able to get relieved of that burden. Friends, today, of course, I can see all of your faces, all the faces. Lots of old friends, some I can see new friends also. Maybe slowly and gradually, those new friends also will be introduced in the days to come. Then completely to lighten my overburden, I was praying to the Almighty. And when I was not bear that overburden, I completely submitted to the wisdom of the Almighty God. And ultimately, in the long run, I got the answer. The answer is, you are seeing now, that I am back. So, I am very much thankful to the leadership of the Congress Party, the President of ASCC, Mallikarjun Kharge, Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji, and also K.C. Venugopal ji, for approving the proposal given forward to them about my rejoining to the my whole family, that grand old party, the Indian National Congress Party, by our in charge, Dr. Chala Kumarji. And I am very much thankful to the in charge, to the state of Meghalaya, from AICC, Dr. Chala Kumarji, the General Secretary AICC, and Mr. Matthew Antoniji, for taking initiative. Time and again, they were contacting me. I was in dilemma as to how to pave the way so that we'll all be together in fighting for the cause of our beloved people of the beautiful state of Meghalaya. So, sir, very much thank you. And the state leaders, under the leadership of Mr. Vincent Palaji. As soon as the information came to the President Meghalaya PCC, Mr. Vincent Palaji, he was very happy. He was like my brother and a friend. When we were together in this family. And my younger brother, who is the honorable MP, Mr. Sangma, we talked across the table as to how to be able to strengthen the party. And also, Madam will not be left out. I'm very thankful to Madam Deborah ji, who was tirelessly working and interacting with me by talking out the planning as to how to go about in strengthening the Congress party, and in turn which will fight against the communal forces, against the proxy government of the day, the BJP and the NPP. We can see their jungle raj. In Assam, what is happening, we know. They are also jungle raj. Since Assam is our neighboring state, it is very, very relevant for us also. So we have got lots of responsibilities ahead. Now, people are saying that, hey, you want to go to Congress? Congress is in the bottom row. Not even single MLA, no MDC, just one MP, Mr. Sangma is the lone MP. Then I said, yeah, of course, it is true. But then I take it as challenge. I am telling you, my dear friends, nothing is impossible in politics. Nothing is impossible in politics. Again, having said this, nothing is final in politics. That is also true. So I always used to maintain in whatever party I was with as a true soldier of the party. So I'm telling you, my dear friends, I'll be the true soldier of the party. Whatever the party leadership, the high command will assign to me, I will religiously carry out the directives and the orders and the responsibilities that will be given to me. I don't know what to speak. There are so many things to be spoken. But then by seeing your face, I am feeling good. For a few years, I was away, as you know. With sound, mind and soul, I have taken this conscious decision to come back to my old family. The family which I was associated with for more than 2 decades. And that family is the grand old party, the Indian National Congress. Friends, it is indeed a very tough decision. But I want to tell you one thing. Why I was saying nothing is impossible in politics, it will just be dependent on how much we are determined, how much we are ready to work hard. So selflessly, whatever capacity I have been blessed with, I will try my best to work hard, tirelessly, selflessly, to ultimately strengthen and get result in the days to come. So my dear friends, there will be enough ample time in future that we can interact like this. We can exchange our opinions, views. Everybody will be required. Everybody's contribution is very important. And I'm telling you, always we should understand that party is above all. I always used to follow this principle. Nobody is indispensable. Not even Zenith Sama, no one. Even Dr. Chalakuma, for that matter. I'm telling you, that principle should be always with us. Always party is above everybody. Nobody is indispensable. And by just putting our heads together, we can get the result. Because no single man can run the party. It is indeed with the collective responsibility only we can take the party to the maximum heights. With these few words,
Pin real spark, ya các tiên là dòng pin đan cam, ya Kaba kan kiêu các tiên khasi, các tiên là dòng ai kan roi kan pa, các kan tiên risau, các đây vật kamut ya upanai basipo jong kasnem, ha uni upanai, kaladeiru kapor senrai, ha kapakislading slasi, kikup ya karong risau. Kani ka kentin risau, kamurru ya ka medba jong ukhnam. Tudaya kan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi ta ka pati CTV, naga menta ka jingmentoi upat ba.